OG, Conguito, Pops. Let me pin the door. And Pox is in there with her babies. We finna let the flock of chaka out. We're gonna let the birds out so they can do their things. Here we go, we're gonna release the beast. Start with these guys because they're rearing to go. How did y'all get out? Yeah, we gotta move y'all's house today. I don't know where Bailey and Juju are. That's gotta be it, right? There can't be no more in there, right? Juju, let him be, Juju. Let him be, Juju. You ain't check none of these. These guys are free rangers. They're free spirits. No, Juju, stop. They don't need to be check mode yet. A lot of these birds just graduated. So a lot of them are scared to come out. So not even half of them out yet. I still gotta open that big thing up. Then the other ones will come out. You want them to free range for a second before you feed them. Juju! Junior, stop! Yeah, those are the dead ones from all over the farm that I collected. I'm going to put them in the compost pile this morning. Some of these little guys I need to pick up. Like that looks like a turkey. He needs to go up. Some of these guys are way too small still. Some of the real small ones are quail. We got like 7 different type of quail, white ones, all different colors. Juju, easy. Alright, I'll go ahead and let the rest out. They're not going to come out. I'm trying to lift this up. Make turkey, the turkey. That's tough. See, there's a shitload underneath this. Now they might come out. Come on, babies! Juju, stop. That's a Indica gigantica right there. And that is the smallest bird in the world. That's a sparrow. What's up, Turkey Jerky? What's up, Jerky the Turkey? This is my boy Tuffy right here. Tuffy the Turkey. Come here, lay on my hand. This is how we greet. No, Juju! No! That's my Tuffy, the Turkey. You leave Tuffy alone. More birds are coming in still. Tuffy the Turkey, he's a G, he's a gangster, yes indeed. Juju, no! Pow pow. You leave Turkey Jerky alone. You leave my Tuffy Jerky alone. Get all around there, move around, jerk. Move about, jerk. Juju, I'm gonna put you inside. These guys are soon to graduate. As soon as they can get out the house and graduate. Juju, get in the goddamn house. Go. No, I done told you no. You leave Tuffy alone. He's got a hard enough life as it is. Tell him, Tuffy. We G-Unit round here. A lot of those are Leghorns. Pure blood, Black Leghorns. Cut! That's it. Come on, Juju, now. Come on. Come here, up. Come here. Come on, Juju, it's time to go in.